Hi everyone, good afternoon. I am Pallavi Samant Desai, founder and managing director of Pencraft Ideas Private Limited. Today again we are live and I will be showing you one more art form. The name of that art form is resin art. So today I have taken this beautiful chopping board on which I will be showing you the ocean effect. So let's start. Now we will zoom in the camera and we will show you what all material is required for this art form. So this is my MDF chopping board. This is hardener. This is resin. These are the color pigments which are required for ocean effect. This one is ultramarine blue. This is a turquoise blue. The next one is sea green. The fourth color is white. And the fifth color is a sand color, because we are showing you today an ocean effect. Apart from that, we need few shells, ice cream stick to stir, a weighing machine, heating tool, and old newspaper to cover your surface. So let's see how I am doing it. The first thing what you need is a weighing machine. I will take a hardener and resin. Here I have taken two sizes of cups. This I need for clear resin. The ratio which I am using today is 2:1. That means 1 part of hardener and 2 parts of resin. Meanwhile, I will show you the pigments also, what quantity we need. So this is my hardener. So this is my hardener. I am taking 30 ml of hardener. And guys, you must be thinking where you will get all these materials. So don't worry. These all materials are available on our Pencraft website, that is www.pencraftonline.in. Even these materials are available on Amazon also. So what you have to do is just visit Amazon website and search for Pencraft. So you can find all these materials for resin art on Amazon website. and plus this is available on Pencraft website also. All these individual products are available at both the places. So I took 30 ml of hardener. Now I will be putting 60 ml of resin. So this is done. Now what I have to do is I will stir this. Now mix this resin and hardener gently. इसमें bubbles नहीं आने चाहिए. You have to stir it very slowly. Now you can see this is a clear resin. Now I will take out the pigments. Here we have 5 colors. So dip your stick, take out in glass. I am using the second color. I am dipping my ice cream stick again and keeping it in next glass. I have taken the third color. Fourth is white. And fifth is a sand color. So what we will do next is I will pour this clear resin in these cups. Keep little bit of clear resin separately. So अगर बाद में आपको फिर से ज़रूरत पड़ी तो रेजिन क्लियर रेजिन आपको बनाना नहीं पड़ेगा. Mix this resin and pigment. So my first color is ready by now. This is ultramarine blue. The one I'm stirring is a turquoise blue. This is sea green. This is white. Make sure that there are no lumps in it. And this is the sand color. Once this chopping board is done, then I'm going to show you few more artworks which we have made with resin. So stay with us and watch this full live session. So now we will be starting our ocean effect chopping board. So for that, I will pour this ultramarine blue on my artwork. The next color is turquoise blue. The third one is sea green. Again, I will be taking little more turquoise blue. And here I am giving the sand effect. I will put little bit of ultramarine blue here. And again, I am putting little more of turquoise blue. Now I am mixing these colors initially with the help of my finger. Please make sure that you are not putting excess pressure. So what I have done is I have covered the whole surface, and now I will be mixing it with the help of heat tool. Now I want waves effect, so I will pour white, and top of it I will pour little bit of clear resin, and now I will break this wave. I am just rotating my artwork. Again I will put little more of clear resin, and on top of it I will be adding white. If you want more waves, then again go for clear resin, and on top of it a thin line of white. Tilt your artwork as per your wish or the effect which you are expecting. According to that you have to tilt your artwork. So I wanted to show a very deep sea, that's why I have used dark colors in this part and more waves prominent at this area. क्योंकि जैसे आप टूवर्ड्स सी शोर आते हो वेव्स थोड़े शांत हो जाते हैं, दे बिकम वेरी काम. सो आई एम नॉट यूजिंग वेरी हार्श वाइट इन दिस एरिया. Now what I'll do is I will put few shells, very small shells I'm using over here to decorate my chopping board. And I want to protect them, so I'm putting some little more clear resin on top of it so it will get sealed. Now my next task is to cover these areas. So I'm not going to cover it totally. ये थोड़ा सा सेट हो जाएगा, उसके बाद मैं रिमेनिंग एरिया करूँगी. सो एज आई प्रॉमिस्ड यू अर्लियर कि मैंने जो और कोई रेजिन के आर्ट वर्क्स किए हैं वो मैं आपको दिखाऊंगी. सो प्लीज स्टे ट्यून्ड विथ अस. अभी मैं आपको बाकी के आर्ट वर्क्स भी दिखाऊंगी, सो यू विल हैव एन आइडिया what kind of work you can do with the help of resin. सो आप लोग सोच रहे होंगे कि ये रेजिन मैं कहाँ से लूँ, मुझे कहाँ मिलेगा, हीट गन कहाँ मिलेगी, पिगमेंट्स कहाँ मिलेंगे, बिकॉज दीज आर नॉट द थिंग्स विच आर वेरी इजीली अवेलेबल इन द मार्केट कि आप शॉप में गए और परचेस कर लिया. सो फ्रेंड्स, डोंट वरी अबाउट इट. पेनक्राफ्ट इज ऑलवेज देयर फॉर यू. ये सारे मटेरियल्स इंडिविजुअली आपको अगर परचेस करने हैं तो आप हमारे पेनक्राफ्ट के वेबसाइट से कर सकते हो. ओके, सो जस्ट विजिट www.pencraft.in. वहाँ पे आप इंडिविजुअल प्रोडक्ट्स में जाके ये मटेरियल परचेस कर सकते हो. अदरवाइज पेनक्राफ्ट अमेजोन पे भी अवेलेबल है. तो अमेजोन पे जाके सर्च बार पे आपको सिर्फ पेनक्राफ्ट सर्च करना है. Then you will find all the materials required for this art form as well as for other art forms also. So right now I am just telling you about resin. So ये heat tool, pigments, resin and hardener सब कुछ वहाँ पे easily available है. And apart from that, if you want to pursue this course, आपको अगर सारे अलग अलग इफेक्ट्स इसमें से सीखने हैं, सो डोंट वरी, वी हैव रेजिन आर्ट कोर्स अवेलेबल विथ अस विच यू विल फाइंड ऑन pencraftonline.in वेबसाइट पे. ओके, देयर यू हैव टू गो एंड सब्सक्राइब फॉर द कोर्स. इफ यू हैव एनी क्वेरीज then I will tell you the number also, but before that I will show you few more artworks of resin art which we have done. So this is an abstract resin art. Here we have put semi-precious stones, the same shape with different effect and different pigments. This is ocean art tray along with the coaster. This is random resin art which is done on a canvas surface. This is one more MDF resin art. This is done with geodes. This is a resin clock. ये मैंने जानबूझ के आपको दिखाने के लिए ऐसे रखा है. यहाँ पे आप क्लॉक मशीन लगा सकते हो and you can use it as a clock. This is a resin bookmark. And this is a small little sweet. Guess what this is? This is a pop socket. Yes, this is a pop socket which you can use on your mobile. So as I told you earlier, I will be telling you our contact number, that is 73040444597. I will repeat the number. To know more about resin art course or for resin art products, you can call us on 73040444597, or you can visit our website. So friends, this is my final chopping board which you can see of ocean effect. So bye for today. Stay safe. Have a nice weekend.